Hey friends, and welcome back. And if you are new here, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you're joining me today. We're making another easy but really flavorful dinner, these pan-seared lemon Dijon pork chops. We are going to start by cutting the onion. Slice half of a yellow onion. This is the easiest way to slice an onion if you struggle at all. Holding the whole thing when getting close to the end will help it all stay together. If you are new here, here is a quick tip. If garlic likes to stick to your knife, rub a bit of onion on the blade first. It makes a huge difference. Now, smash and mince 2 cloves of garlic. Smashing first actually helps release more of the garlic oils, which means more flavor in the final dish. Next up, the pork chops. Season them well with salt, pepper, cumin, and a little red pepper. Make sure you rub the seasoning in so everything is evenly coated. Flip over and repeat on the other side. Then, set them aside for now. Heat a pan over medium heat and add about a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot and thinned out, add in the onions and garlic. Season with pepper and salt and sauté for 3 minutes. Before they go in, separate them a bit so they sauté instead of steaming. If you are still watching, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Tell me in the comments where you are watching from today. Remove the onions and garlic from the pan and set them aside. In that same pan, add your pork chops. Cook them for 5 minutes per side. This can vary depending on how thick your chops are, so keep an eye on them. You're looking for a nice golden crust on both sides. Pork is done when it reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. And remember, they'll finish cooking a bit more once we add them back into the sauce. This video is brought to you by Travel With Us for Life, where we share our travels around the world. Because we cook in all kinds of kitchens, my goal is to keep recipes simple and easy to make at home. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the other channel. Once they're golden, take them out and set them aside for now. To the same pan, add a 1/4 cup of chicken broth or water to deglaze. Then add the juice from 1 lemon, which is about 2 tablespoons, followed by 1½ teaspoons of Dijon mustard. And 1 tablespoon of honey. To be sure you get all your honey into the dish, stir it into the hot liquid and it will slide right off the spoon without sticking. Bring this up to a gentle boil, then add the onions and garlic back in. As you stir, make sure you scrape the bottom of the pan to get all those flavorful bits left from the pork. Let this cook for about 2 minutes, then add the pork chops back into the pan. Let them simmer for another 3 minutes so they can warm back up and soak in all that flavor. This also helps the sauce thicken slightly. When taking out the pork chops, try not to get too much of the sauce or onions with it. For the sauce, I wanted it a little richer and creamier, so I added about a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. And a teaspoon of flour. Stir well and let it cook for another 2 minutes until it thickens to your liking. This sauce honestly takes the whole dish to the next level. That little bit of cream makes it so comforting without being heavy. I served these pork chops with a side of rice, and it was the perfect way to soak up all that lemon Dijon sauce. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves an easy weeknight dinner. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you have an amazing day or night wherever you're watching from, and I'll see you in the next one.